What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first apartment update, more so like an introduction to the apartment. I've been here since July now, so a couple months. Hey y'all, so this is Editing Kayla. I'm just checking in to let y'all know that this is an old video. So when I say I've been here since July, that has been July 2021. So, disregard that. I'm just trying to get y'all this content. So that's what matters. But yeah, I will be doing an updated apartment tour this year just to give y'all a bit more insight on what's going on. So just wanted to quickly hop in and say that. Okay, bye. I haven't really done much decorating. Literally most of the stuff in here came from my old apartment. Hate that. But this year, one of my goals, for one, since my birthday, and then of course for the new year, was to decorate my apartment. Trying to get it together. So I'm gonna give you a little tour, and just pretty much throughout this series, we're just gonna give you updates. I said we. Who is we? I'm going to give you updates on what I'm doing differently with my apartment, the things that I'm buying, probably the stuff that I have to put together because it's just me. So yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour. Let me go to the front. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is the view from my front door. Hey, Colby. So when you come to the right here, this is my coat closet. It's a disaster. So I have a lot of stuff that it's just here. Like literally 3 coats and my cap and gown stuff. It's just a disaster. So this box right here is actually a bookcase that I'm going to put in here to help with storage, and I'm probably going to put a majority of my laundry stuff in there because I'm kind of like pressed for storage in this apartment, so I kind of have to make do in areas. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is a blow-up mattress, so I'm probably gonna put that tucked away in my closet somewhere, or if I can find space in here, I'll probably do that too. This is something that I actually need to return. Yikes. My vacuum, I think I'm gonna keep that in here. Probably just put it in the back corner or something. I'll play around with it. And then up here, I'm going to I'm thinking maybe if I find some boxes or like baskets, I'll say that, and probably put up there just to kind of like conceal that stuff so it doesn't look so cluttered. So yeah, that's the idea for this. And I just have my mop and my broom just hanging here. That's why it made that noise, because it's up there at the top. But yeah, so that's the coat closet. So then on the opposite side is this. So this actually came from my old apartment. It's like a male hanging situation. It actually broke when I was moving in here, hence why one of the pieces are broken and it's inside of here. So I'm actually gonna get rid of this altogether. And I'm thinking about getting a mirror right here, probably just to look cute. And then down here is where my valet trash bin is, so I'm actually about to put that out. Obviously that's why I have trash in there, and then this is going in the trash too. And yeah, so that is that situation. So I'm thinking about getting a little table to go right here, and I'll probably get like a bowl or something to go on top of the table, and that's where I'm gonna put my keys. And I'll probably get like another wicker basket to go under the table, and that's where I'm gonna hold Kobe's leash and any other things that I can just put right there. And then I'll slip my shoes under there too, just to have that. So that's what I'm thinking right here. Also in this area, I saw, like, I have to find a picture, but it's like it was a woodwork of the word home. I liked how that looked. I feel like that would clash with this, so I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. So then when you come over here, this is the kitchen, obviously, like you can see. So I really don't have much over here, just my appliances. I definitely want to get a new electric kettle, probably a black one, and just some wines. One of them, the pink one, my friend gave me, and the other one, the apartment complex actually gave that to me as my welcome gift, which I thought was cute. So I definitely want to get probably a bigger plant in this corner where those little tiny ones are. I got those from Amazon, and they're not giving what they're supposed to give, so definitely need to figure out something with that. Definitely want to get a new knife set because this just looks whack. And then I'm also missing a knife, as you can see. Yikes. So this area, I actually got this utensil holder from Marshall's about 2 weeks ago, and I actually really love it. She's really cute. She's giving what she's supposed to give. And this spice rack, I got this from Amazon, and I'm not feeling it like I once was. Yeah, so I definitely kind of need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that, because I don't know. So yeah, that's that. So then this area here is my pantry. She's a disaster. You know, ooh, wait, she looks rough. So, ooh. And then so leaving the kitchen is my living room area. As you can see, Colby once again, hey boo. So first things first, let's tackle the elephant in the room. This, yikes. So this has been my makeshift end table. Honestly, I had this at my old apartment too when I really didn't decorate. And it's just time to get some real end tables. I actually have some, these over here. Yes. I actually got some finally. So I'm actually gonna be putting those together tonight, so we can actually have some end tables. And this actually broke, so let's just ignore that. So this is my living room. And I actually put this together about 2 weeks ago, and I love her. I got these from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Love her. She's giving adult, she's giving grown woman, she's giving what she was supposed to have gave, you know. Love it. This couch I actually got from Cons. I don't really love her anymore, so at some point I'm definitely gonna get a new couch. These lamps, got them from Amazon as well. My other tripod, this table, Amazon. Colby's little bin thing, Amazon. Just Amazon. TV, I definitely want to get some stuff for my TV stand. These things right here are books. I'm gonna get a book stand or bookshelf, excuse me, to go behind Colby's crate. That's where I'm gonna put my books, so that's just there for right now because I didn't have any other places to put my books. This mirror is gonna go in the garbage. These photos here or pictures, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. They don't really go with my space or like the vibe that I'm wanting to go with. I don't know. It's not giving, so we're gonna have to do something about that. So this is my office desk space. She just looks dead. So I definitely want to do something with that. I had a calendar on the desk before, I just threw that away because she just wasn't giving either. Thinking about getting a bookshelf, like a small one to go on top of the desk to like hold things to decorate as well. So then this area is, whoo, my little bar area. So this box here is actually, okay, thank you. So this box here is my little table scape, my table setup. I just have to unbox it. Literally just got it in the house today. I got these wicker placemats from my godmom, and I like them. They're kind of giving like a grown woman vibe. These bar stools, I got them from Walmart. Hate them. So definitely on the lookout or on the hunt for some new bar stools. I've seen a couple that I like from Amazon, so we're gonna see. Yeah. So that's that. And then in the next room, this is my bedroom. Love her, she's cute. So what these boxes over here, these big ones, are actually new mirrors. So I'm gonna put the mirrors where these pictures are and move the pictures over above my headboard. So they're giving, love them. And ultimately, I kind of want to change the color in here to emerald green. Emerald green has become my new favorite color. So I got to figure that out and see what I'm going to do with that. But for right now, this is what I have color-wise. So she's just going to work for right now. Yeah. So, and then these are some more packages. So again, going to be unboxing all of that today. And then this is what I have on top. I got this from Amazon. Focus. I got this from Amazon. This is just holding all of my perfumes and my body sprays. I got these from Amazon as well. I just need to find something to put them in to hold them. because they're like very long hanging earrings. So I just need to figure something out. If anybody has any suggestions, please leave them down below. I need help, as you can see. So then this I think I got this from Amazon as well. It's supposed to be an earring holder. Clearly you can see all of my like stud earrings are just collecting right there. And a lot of them I'm actually gonna throw away because I kind of hate them too. And I kind of hate this. So I don't know what to do with her. She's just here. And she's gonna be here until I figure something out. So yeah. And then this blank wall, obviously just a huge blank wall. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Either like put a picture up here, something, or a big mirror. I didn't want to get a TV because I don't really spend much time in my bedroom anyway, other than sleeping. I usually watch TV in my living room. So that's that. And then this area here, I need to figure out also what I'm gonna put right there. I was thinking maybe a little chair, but then also probably not because I don't spend much time in here either. So maybe a big plant and either a mirror or some canvas art, something to go right there. That's what I'm thinking. So if you come out, but he's just everywhere. So this is my bathroom. Love her too. She's giving, she's cute. Hey, how are y'all doing? We just need to figure out what we're gonna do with her because she looks depressing. So my favorite thing about this apartment that really sold me is my shower. As you can see, love her. But I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with her. So I've been seeing a lot of TikToks and a lot of like home decor videos on how people have styled their sinks. So I think that's the vibe I'm gonna go for. And I actually picked up this wicker basket here from Target about a week or two ago. Love her. So she's giving the idea that I'm trying to get at, just gotta get there. And then here, I wanna get some decorative towels, probably emerald green, because again, that's the color that I'm going for. This picture, actually, I had this since college, and she's not giving what I want her to give anymore. She's not giving grown woman. Definitely love Amazing Grace, praise God, but I think I've outgrown her. So we have to figure that out. And then this area here is my linen closet. Good God from Zion, y'all. Yikes. Ooh, so I definitely want to have this just be my towels, my washcloths, my hand towels, all of that. So all of this stuff is going to be organized and put down here. I'm working on it, so please bear with me. Yikes. And then what is down here, it is a whole bunch of stuff too. So y'all, it's a disaster, but we're gonna get it together. So that's pretty much my bathroom. My closet though, she's really big and she's a disaster as well. That's where I'm holding a lot of my storage stuff. So that's what I'm working with. So yeah, we have a lot to do. So we're just gonna do it. So as you can see, it's a lot going on. I'm going to just go ahead and start with these boxes that I have in here that I need to go ahead and just unbox. So like I said, I'm gonna start with the plates, set those up on the bar, and get these end tables together and get those other packages out of my bedroom. Those big mirrors are just gonna stay there until I can find some help to hang them because they're extremely heavy. So that's what we're doing. So yeah.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.